Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from Nexo. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw cryptocurrency from your Nexo account. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Nexo account by opening the Nexo mobile app and if prompted. Head over to the welcome page and log in with your email address and password. Once you do that, it's going to take you right into the home screen. On the home screen, check the bottom of your screen. And you're going to find a couple of icons representing diverse features, including dashboard, wallet, markets, card, exchange. Now click on wallet. And once you click on wallet, normally it's just definitely going to present you with cryptocurrencies, like a list of cryptocurrencies available in your account. Now, go ahead and click on any of the currencies that you know you have a balance in there and you want to withdraw. Now, let's say BTC. I'm selecting BTC. So it opens me up here. Now, I do not have a balance available and I have not even verified my account. But then if you have balances and you have verified your account, on this home screen or on this page, you're definitely going to find the withdraw button. So tap on the withdraw button. And once you tap on the withdraw button, the next thing you need to do is to specify the amount of crypto you want to withdraw from your balance. You can either enter a custom amount or tap on max to withdraw your entire balance. You will need to enter the withdrawal address, that's the external wallet address, to which you want to send the cryptocurrency. Double check the wallet address for accuracy, as sending crypto to the wrong address may result in irreversible loss. Review the transaction details, including the amount and wallet address, and tap confirm to proceed with the withdrawal. If you have enabled 2FA, two-factor authentication, you'll be asked to enter the 6-digit code generated by your authenticator app, and then enter the code to finalize the withdrawal. Now that's if you did that. Once the withdrawal is confirmed, Nexo will process your transaction. Cryptocurrency withdrawals typically require network confirmations, so processing times can vary based on the blockchain network. You can track the status of the withdrawal under the transaction or history section in the app. And after the transaction is complete and confirmed on the blockchain, the withdrawn cryptocurrency will appear in your external wallet. And that's it. You have now successfully withdrawn cryptocurrency from your Nexo account. Be sure to verify the recipient address and amounts before confirming any withdrawals. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.